My name is David Welch. I am a custom car builder down here in sunny Southern California. Today I'm coming to you from Brothers Tech Center to show you the cab bolt kits that they have. These are stainless steel. You don't have to worry about them flaking off or rusting. If they dull down, you can just polish them back up. And this is going to be everything I need from my front bumper all the way back to my strikers and my glove box and all that kind of stuff. It comes with a lot of things. Now it'll be different from application to application, so some kits will be a little bit different, but it's going to come basically with everything you got from front to back. Nice thing too is that you can go with a cool looking button head and Allen wrench, or if you want to go more original, we've got the hex heads right here. And what happens is the kit is consistent, so you've got all these button heads going all the way through, not a bunch of different nuts and bolts. You got your hex heads going all the way through. So tons of nuts and bolts, tons of time saving. This is a ton of time if you go down to the store and pick out every single one of these guys. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm getting dirty every week bolting these parts on so you guys get them and they're perfect. See you on the road, man.